Are you wondering how to watch live football on YouTube TV and NBA games through the NBA app? It's a great combo for sports fans who want to enjoy both football and basketball action. In this video, I'll explain how to stream live football on YouTube TV and how to use the NBA app for basketball games. Let's dive in. To watch live football on YouTube TV, start by downloading the YouTube TV app on your device, whether it's a smart TV, phone, tablet, or streaming device, or visit tv.youtube.com on your browser. Log into your account and navigate to the channel broadcasting the game, like ESPN, Fox, or NBC. You can also set up reminders or record games using the Cloud DVR feature. For NBA games, download the NBA app on your device and sign in with your cable replacement service, like YouTube TV, if required. The NBA app offers live games, highlights, and exclusive content, depending on your subscription or league pass access. By combining YouTube TV for football and the NBA app for basketball, you'll have all the sports coverage you need at your fingertips. If this video helped you learn how to enjoy both platforms, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the games!